Our main destination today is Cayo Arena, 7 miles from the coast beach, Punta Rucia. It's a sandbank in middle of the ocean with white sand and crystal clear tropical water. It became a tourist attraction and a hot spot for many visitors of this island, but also for snorkel fans as it has many colorful coral banks with lots of fish. As this tourist destination became more and more popular, many excursion services and private locals are offering a ride to this stunning island. Starting point is the beach in Punta Rucia. The boat ride takes about 20 minutes. Unfortunately, the island can become very crowded on same days, but if you arrive early enough, you will have the chance to have it more quiet and to enjoy it the most. Many are using this spectacular picture scenery to take pictures. Others prefer to snorkel and experiences the fishes. You can actually get some bread there for some pesos and feed the fishes. Others prefer to go to the edge of the sandbank where the coral banks are. After leaving the desirable island, we are heading to the next excursion, the mangroves. We find them along the coast, between the land and the ocean. Mangroves became a point of interest and attraction for many nature lovers and those who are interested in ecosystems. The boat ride is quite fun as we drove with high speed through the natural canals created by this forest himself. Here we had a feeling to be into a tropical forest. Typical is their dense tangle of prop roots that make the trees appear to be standing on stilts above the water. This tangle of roots allows the trees to handle the daily rise and fall of tides, as most mangroves get flooded at least twice per day. The intricate root system of mangroves also makes these forests attractive to fish and other organisms seeking food and shelter from predators. The drive through the channels takes about 1 hour. After, we drove back to the starting point in Punta Rucia. The whole trip takes about 4 to 5 hours and leaves you with a great experience and taking home unforgettable memories. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe for more content and please click the like button to support my channel.